on that silent night, something ancient woke up.
They're not just wild. They remember everything.
Oh my god, viewers, I swear I created this entire video using a 100% free tool. And not just that, you can create unlimited videos with it. Today, I'm going to show you how to start generating videos just like this using completely free tools. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you need to open YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, search for the channel called Pins Guy. Now viewers, this channel is currently trending like crazy. It has a massive number of subscribers, and if we look at its shorts, just check this out. 43 million views, 32 million views, and many more videos that have already crossed millions. Even if we look at the latest shorts, they are getting hundreds of thousands of views. This clearly shows that this type of content is extremely trending right now. The reason behind this success is simple. This channel uploads 2D character-style animation videos, and honestly, they look amazing. And today, I'm going to teach you how to create similar videos using 100% free tools. Now, without wasting time, let me take you to the master prompt. So, viewers, as you can see on my screen, I've prepared a complete master prompt for you. Inside this prompt, I've included 9 image prompts, 9 video prompts, and 9 voiceover prompts. And most importantly, if you look carefully, the character prompt is highlighted in green. This means you must use this exact same character in every single scene. But don't worry at all, I will give you this exact master prompt in the description, so you can simply copy and paste it, and once you do that, all your images, videos, and voiceovers will be generated automatically. Right now, I'm just showing you this to demonstrate how powerful this method is. So I simply copy this entire master prompt, then I go to ChatGPT, and after opening it, I paste the prompt and press enter. Now watch this carefully. As soon as I hit enter, my prompts start generating automatically. And after a short wait, boom, all my scenes are ready. Image prompts, video prompts, and even voiceovers, everything generated perfectly. This means the master prompt is working extremely well. Now what I'll do is go through these scenes one by one and review them. And as you can see, the output is generated exactly according to the prompt with no mistakes. After reviewing everything, I simply copy all the prompts, create a document file, and paste everything inside it. Now here's an important step. I separate everything properly. Image prompts in one section, video prompts in another, and voiceovers in another. So the workflow becomes super easy when creating the final video. Now I copy scene 1 and take you to a 100% free website called Flow AI. So, viewers, this website might look a bit old, but that's because it is completely free. Now follow these steps carefully, click on Create with Flow, go to New Project, select the required settings, paste your first prompt, and click on Generate. Now as you can see, my first image has started generating. Let's wait a few seconds, and boom, my first image is ready. Now honestly, this first result is not that impressive. So what I'll do is copy the second prompt, paste it, and then instead of stopping, I'll paste all prompts from 2 to 10 one by one. Now all prompts are generating, and after a short wait, boom, all my prompts are now converted into images. And viewers, just look at this. These results are absolutely amazing. The style is unique, clean, and very similar to trending content. As I mentioned earlier, this type of content is currently blowing up. Now what you need to do is simple. Download all these images in 2K quality. Once that's done, we move to the most important part of today's video, the 100% free video tool that allows you to create unlimited videos. Just download it, save it, and now we move to the next step. Let's move to the video creation tool. Oh my god. Viewers, now you need to open the website called Video Inu. Yes, viewers, this website is absolutely amazing. I actually discovered it randomly while testing tools, and surprisingly, it turned out to be 100% free. I simply logged in using my personal Gmail, and as you can see on the left side, it gave me 500 credits without any collaboration or special access, which is honestly very impressive. Now let me show you how to generate videos. Instead of using the image to video option, go to the AI video section under Playground and click on it. After clicking, you'll see an option called WAN 2.6. Select that model. Choose your ratio, and I'll set it to 5 seconds at 720p with audio. As you can see, it costs around 170 credits per video. Now what I do is simple. First, I upload my image, then I copy my prompt and paste it into the prompt section, and finally click on Generate. As soon as I click, the process starts immediately. You can see it already progressing, and within seconds, it reaches 100%. In just about a minute, your video will be ready. And here's the exciting part. Don't worry if your credits run out because I'll show you a method to get unlimited credits using free emails. Now my first video is ready. Just look at this.
The foxes were captured, taken without mercy.
Oh my God. Viewers, this result is incredibly good, super smooth, and completely free. This means the workflow is working perfectly. Now I move to the second image, repeat the same process, upload, paste prompt, click generate, and again, within moments, the second video is ready.
They're not just wild. They remember everything.
And honestly, this result is again amazing. I was genuinely surprised that such a free tool can produce this level of quality. Now I upload the third image, give it a proper prompt, and click generate. At this point, I only have around 24 credits left, which means normally I wouldn't be able to create more videos, but yes, you absolutely can, and I'll show you how. First, let me show you the third video, and boom.
On that silent night, something ancient woke up.
It's ready as well, again, very engaging and high quality, proving that this tool consistently delivers great results. Now here's the main trick. Once your credits are finished after 2 to 3 videos, simply download your videos, go back, and log out. Then, instead of using your personal email again, open a temporary email service like Temp Mail. Copy a new temporary email, paste it into the sign up or login section, click on Get Code, and if it asks to create an account, just proceed. Enter any name, paste the temp email, click on Send Code, then go back to Temp Mail, wait a few seconds, copy the verification code, paste it back, and log in. And just like that, boom, you get another 500 credits. This means you can repeat this process as many times as you want and generate unlimited videos for free. Now, after generating all your videos, it's time for editing. Open CapCut, drag all your clips into the timeline, arrange them in sequence, and here's another great thing. There's no watermark or logo from the tool. Once everything is arranged, simply export your video in 4K quality, and your final result will look absolutely amazing.
The foxes were captured, taken without mercy. They remember everything.
So, viewers, I hope you loved today's video and these powerful free tools. I always try to bring you the best 100% free tools, and today, again, I showed you how to create 2D animation-style videos completely free with unlimited generation. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support means everything. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful tool and a new idea. Goodbye.